greats of professional football.
Legends of sport are enshrined in a Hall of Fame. Their greatness serves as a model for those who will come next.
There's a new home run champion of all time.
For the third time, Serena Williams.
SaaS doesn't have a Hall of Fame. But if it did, who would be in it?
Grace Hofford.
Mark Benyat.
Some players are obvious fits, carving out their legacy in the space they helped pioneer.
Part of the fabric of just the computer business in general.
But for others, there's a bit of a barroom debate around which contenders deserve the top spot.
We never could really agree.
There are those with enthralling stories, pulling off miraculous upsets, or a meteoric rise. There are the unsung heroes, and the stalwarts that stumble.
DocuSign down tremendously.
But whether it's wins or losses, there are lessons to be learned, so that maybe someday soon, you may be next. Paddle presents Verticals, a series of video essays that take a deeper look into how industries are formed, their pioneers, and the companies that are leading the way.